guys, so we are actually currently heading to the shop. Basically, I'm going there to get my bushings installed for the front control arm. The bushing that I bought is the FIGS bushings. It's I believe it's a 90 degree or 90%. They do have like a 80 and 90 type. 80 supposedly, from what people have said, it's more like a, I guess, comfortable ride versus a 90s like track spec. I mean, I don't really track my car like that. I only got the 90 because of the stiffness. So, you know, I was just like, why not? I just bought it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that hopefully in the next hour or two at the shop that I'm going to. So the whole purpose of the bushings is pretty much so when it comes to like the third gen Lexus IS, they do tend to have like a really soft bushings, so meaning that there's going to be some bad inner wear in the tire, which is pretty much doesn't last you too long. It's going to be like an uneven wear. So that's one thing that I went through a couple of my tires, even with my aftermarket, you know, wheels that I had. Like I had like 2 sets of wheels already, so I'm actually coming up to my 3rd set sometime soon. It's just that I guess this time I want to avoid that. Probably should have been my first, I guess, purchase when I bought this car, but you know, things go always around. But anyways, yeah, that's the whole purpose of it, just to save you on spending more money on, you know, tires. And also it does have like a more steering wheel response, as if like when you're turning sharp turns, it's a lot more responsive. And that also includes with braking. Braking is a lot more, I guess, responsive, if that makes sense. Like it'll brake much more quicker, as if it was with the OEM bushings. I believe the whole thing with the whole braking thing is that the wheel tends to like tilt, I think, outward when you brake hard with the OEM versus the FIGS, which is a lot more stiffer. It doesn't allow that for the bushings to do, so it just stays straight, which it makes sense why braking will be a lot more better. The car is pretty much my daily, so I don't really like track it like that. This car is full bolt-ons, as you can tell. It does have an exhaust system, full catback with headers, PPE headers. I do not have any exhaust clips just yet. Just thought I'd make my first video doing this fake bushings installation. There will be like a fast relapse of like, or like probably like a short clip of us installing the bushings. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and if there's any comments or any advice to make this video a lot more better, just let me know in the comments below. That'd be more appreciated. Thank you.
No.